Okay, so it says draw a histogram to represent the data. This is the easiest thing to do. All you literally do is take the intervals, each different interval and its frequency, and just put a bar graph line up the side and to the number that it says. So it's super easy. Watch this. So I'm going to start with a highlighter because it makes my life so happy. So my interval, the very first interval is 40 to 49. So right here where it says 40 to 49, I'm going to go up 5. So I start here and I go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm going to create just a little bar. Let me make that line a little straighter. A little bit better, not too bad. And then you can color it in, and that represents that little bar. Super easy. That's all you have to do. I'm going to change the color. I'm going to go to the next interval. So now I have 50 to 59, which is 10. So right here where it says 50 to 59, it is up here at 10. Then I'm going to make my bar go down. That line up there is a little too big. And then I'm just going to make my bar go down. And then I'm going to shade it in. And in reality, if I was doing this with an actual marker and not using my mouse, this would be a lot prettier. All right, changing the color, gonna do blue now. Okay, so now I'm at 60 to 69, and that is only 2. So right here, this interval where it says 60 to 69, that is just 2. So I'm gonna go up to 2, make a teeny tiny little bar, shade it in. I like little bars, they work better. Changing my color to pink now, my favorite color. Interval 70 to 79, and it has 4. So right here where it says 70, 79, I'm gonna go up to 4. Then I'm gonna create a little bar to go with that set of numbers. Then I'm going to shade it in. All right, changing colors. The next one is red, and that's going to be my 80 to 89. I guess that's maybe a burnt orange. I'm going to go up to 2. So 80 to 89, which is this guy right here, is just going to have 2, and I'm going to shade it in. And then not last, there you go, 90 to 99 only has 1, so this interval right here, 90 to 91, just goes up to that little bitty teeny tiny line, the very first line we come to. And that is how you create a histogram or bar graph from a frequency table. Now they're going to ask you other questions like what's the interval that has the mode, or which interval represents the mode, and that's going to be this guy because it's the most. It might be which interval only has 1, and that would be this guy. Or it might say which 2 intervals or which intervals represent 2, and then that would be this interval and this interval. So you can have more than one answer depending on what the question is asking you. So just make sure that you know how to create it and you know what everything stands for.